Our new couch is worth it because Ernie likes it. I have such a fun video for you guys today. First of all, today's video is sponsored by Gap. Gap is one of the very few stores where I'll buy pieces new, but also have an insane collection of vintage from finding them thrifted. So I would say probably 20% of my wardrobe is already Gap. So I'm so excited to work with them today. As you can tell, I'm very pregnant. I'm 9 months pregnant. And today we're doing a fun video with Brandon, my boyfriend, where we have this capsule wardrobe from Gap. And I want to show how these pieces could basically be one suitcase, 2 people. Do I have to sit down? I think this is the last try on video you're getting from me. I'm in the home stretch and I can really feel it. But for Gap, I was like, heck yeah. And a lot of my clothes, when I put them on, I just feel horrible because nothing fits. But with these pieces from Gap, just pulling this, he's just laid on the shirt. Don't lay on that, baby. With these pieces from Gap, just them fitting. And that's just me getting the right size right now. But I thought it'd be really fun because Brandon and I are wearing a pretty similar size to do this type of video. So let's get into it. I was gonna have him like filming next to me or standing next to me, but I'm just gonna have him try on the pieces after and we'll show him side by side because I didn't want him to have to just stand here for all of that. Oof. So I will say that everything I bought is technically from like the women's side of Gap. I know they have a lot of unisex pieces as well, but you're gonna see these pieces really don't have a gender, as clothing doesn't. But then also, sometimes it's just fun to see different outfits on different people or different body types. Okay, this is the first layer of the look. I thought with my Doc Martens it'd be really cute. You guys, the way none of my shoes fit, I never, like my feet didn't really swell up with my daughter. They were definitely bigger, but my feet now look like I dropped a bowling ball on them. We've basically got 2 pairs of shoes I can wear. I think that's like super cute. I love how baggy these jeans are. I'm so happy to finally be filming this so I can wear these pieces. And I think this is cute. These bags are, oh my God, everything. This stripe one, like it's so simple, but so effortlessly cute. I love like color blocking and just having like bold colors paired next to each other and making it the whole outfit. These jeans are so comfy. Just super simple outfits, but I feel like these are so trendy right now. And color blocking, it feels really, really good.
It's just like a Playboy Cardi outfit.
You look cute. Is this how I dress you? Wait, you look so cute. You look cute. You don't have to carry the bag, but would you want to? You look cute. You would get hit on by a lot of men. Here, just don't move. Just stand still. Arms down. There. Okay, then, because this is kind of like a capsule wardrobe, we're gonna play with layering. I'm curious how this combo will look on Brandon. I'm so upset that it's snowing today because like I want to wear these spring outfits. It's adorable. There's really nothing to it. It's just cute. So many colors in the t-shirts, the tank tops. You guys, I've been feeling so horrible the past couple days and I just don't really think this baby's coming early. I feel like for the next month I'm just gonna be feeling horrible. And it's crazy how clothes can really like have such a strong impact on your mood because none of my jeans fit right now. All of these jeans are in an extra large or I think a size 16, and buying clothes that fit really do wonders. I know Izzy's gonna like it. There you go. Now just stand still, don't move. It looks cute with your hat. Let's do the next outfit. Okay, this is not one of the outfits I had planned. I can't help but just like laugh at myself. But I do think that like this is even really cute. I love how 90s it feels. Yeah, it's cute. These denim jeans are so cute, so trendy. I have a pair already in my closet from Gap that I thrifted, and I know that these, once the belly's gone, won't fit me, so they'll be Brandon's. But I missed mine. I wish Brandon brought on vacation more tops like this because they're such a good thing to steal from somebody. Like if you're going out to dinner or to the beach or you feel like you're just like missing one thing, a classic button up, I swear it can save you so often. Kind of want to wear it with like my tummy peeking out because I think it's cute like that. Very cute. And then I have one more of those canvas bags. Adding a bright pop of pink makes the look feel a bit more feminine and this just feels so 90s. There's something about this pregnancy where I feel like I dress very 90s. Maybe because my Mary Janes are the only things that fit, but it's so cute. I love it. Beautiful. So this would be if we went on vacation and we could only pack one suitcase.
Same hat and everyone.
Well, you could wear your same hat, yeah. Would you wear it unbuttoned?
I would like to wear some buttons.
Okay, then button it how you would button it. That's cute. Okay, now do your pose. It might seem crazy, but I've never styled Brandon before. I like his style, and I don't think he needs a lot of help. I'm curious how he'll look in these pieces because I did lean more towards my own style and what I like, but you know, keeping him in mind of what is something we could both wear pretty easily. Overalls basically go with anything. Have it under, in my opinion. Like you can just wear a bikini top, no top, if that's what you're comfortable with. But I thought it'd be cute to kind of dress it up with another collared shirt. I think the other one that I just tried on was like a looser fit. And this one's a bit more of like a slim fit, still not even probably sized up in it. I think that this is such a cute look. Gap denim has always been one of my favorites. Like it's so cute. I think I have another bag. Where is it? Just adding some texture pattern with the brown shoes. This could be cute. So adorable, so comfortable. Oh my goodness. Like it feels so good to be wearing clothes that fit. It's the bare minimum. Everyone's gonna know you're Ernie's favorite because he did not stay in the picture with me. Those look cute on you. That's how you should sub-teach. I love layering two tank tops, and all of mine have felt too tight to do that right now. So I think that this is so cute. I love these bright yellow pants. I got them in a long for Brandon because, again, once I'm done being pregnant, these will be his clothes. I just cuffed them up once, which I think is really cute. The baby blue and the yellow is just like adorable. These are like a barrel fit kind of pant. I feel like you can't really tell on me. You'll be able to tell better on Brandon. And then I feel like some denim in this look could be cute. And then like making it a bit more me with the basket bag. I'm really not used to wearing this baggy of a pant, and especially like a barrel jean. I feel like I just don't wear. Not that I don't like them. Haven't had any. Oopsie. My dad totally busted my light, so ignore that. Oh, I've got a big head too. They measured baby's head today and they said it was normal. And I was like, thank goodness, because when I came out, my head was so big, they had to do an ultrasound on it. And Brandon and I have like the same size head, so he evens me out. Like my head's big for a girl, but for a boy, it's normal, I think. That is so cute. I actually adore that. Why does the hat make it so much cuter? And like the basket makes it so much more me. I want Brandon to bring up all his beanies and hats and stuff because I want him to still like style it in his own way. So I'm not gonna make him carry like a purse with every outfit because he just genuinely wouldn't do that. But like a bright yellow pant is so Brandon. You can see my boxers peeking out, but I kind of think it's cute. I love this. I love the bold colors of everything. I feel so like summery. I think I need to buy these in my postpartum size. Like I think they're supposed to fit a lot more high-waisted. That's why they look so baggy on me. But I don't like how things look high-waisted with the tummy. So I make everything low-waisted and kind of alters the fit, but it's so cute. I actually love it. I was a little worried. That's why I saved this one for last, but adorable. Let's get these outfits on Brandon and see how he likes them. Could you have shaved your chest for this? This is how you take Lucy on a zoo field trip. No, because you look cute. It's just so not you.
Ow. Ow, it's my ear.
You literally look cute. Do you have anything to say? Nope. Thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Say nice things about Brandon in the comments. He'll never see them. And thank you to Gap for sponsoring this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.